Hi and welcome. I'm gonna be opening a card pack of Pokemon Prismatic Evolutions today. And on the last one that I opened, I got a pretty good pull. I got a gold card, so go check that video out. It was a video right before this video. So let's get started and open this pack. Let's take a look card. And then I believe there's a energy and I don't know, let's just leave that one there. Alright. Okay, we got a hell energy. We got a low punny. Trainer. No, that's not a trainer. Yeah, this one's a trainer. Friends in Paldea. Bronzor. Furfro. Professor Sada's Vitality. Bronzong. Earthen Vessel. Got a Kieran. Reverse Hollow. We got a Slow King. Reverse Hollow. And we got an Iron Boulder. Alright, no big hits from this one. Nonetheless, it was fun opening the pack. And I'll see you on the next one.